iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Supersport United 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1 in the DStv Premiership on a Friday evening. Very interesting game of football. One team counter-attacking and the other team attacking. And the team that counter-attacks finds a few opportunities, they bury them. And here we are then. Gavin Hunt wins. Well done and congratulations to Supersport United. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Bulise trucks justice kunjani fit bulise Benedict the little Napoleon so
Mr. Gale
I cannot let Desmond do imana nayo meso bafana kancane abagqoka isiphelo yalela Grootman le Desmond do
he thinks insurance.
Yeah, Grootman they push. They push. Yeah.
He thinks insurance.
Yeah, the brand ambassador of insurance. Clientele. I push your final. Yeah, so truly speaking, I need to be honest with you, Kevin, on tactical. Angit maganza gabi siyashuti. I span. So today tactically got it. Very right. You can't be beaten by team one twice.
Yeah, within the space of 5
Yeah, if you won couple of mabangabe ugo create profile ele heavy yabo whereby value wayenza irrespective of angsi fan yakhe but he did one couple of things so kumele vele manje ukuthi yabo Rulande gonna beat him twice or what. Yeah. So he needed to find a way. So vezile ukuthi ireason umchita bekanokuthi iqo abambe awachayisela ma league. Yeah. So tactically, he was spot on. He was spot on in front three foot. Yeah, okay. Team ne back four. Australia back four. Yeah, okay. Kevin he back four. Bekatali 4-3-3. Back four. Okay, spot on. Credit to Abu Tyson. Supersport uvugile ngwenye. I think his style of playing some suit as a coach. He clean up. He is not pretty, he doesn't play pretty football. We are cover. We understand. He is an idiot lapha at the back, kick it in the stand. He hardly plays as starter, no. Umuntu mo of uklina yonke into, uyamashala, uyambona, uyacommunicator, he's a leader da. So credit to him, umchita. Ngoba namanje he's got the character, futhi enye into engibone ngayo he's got the character. So back for now Abu left wing Pasera, the former Kaizer Chiefs defender Pasera played very well, him as well. So back for yakhe njengoba ngisho Kevin has played very well up front three Lungu Reina Grobler as well Maseko talented yo. Yeah, the post talented. So individual brilliant I think is the one in terms of attack we have not much of Grobler, not much of Urene. Urene, yes, with the speed. Urene begarana la gulama empty space la Sundowns la mawimpe kwabo. I think you could tell Utula K was not playing for a while. Good player like him, but was exposed today. Him and Mkwene second goal, I blame him. You cannot be casual knowing within Dalanga to rate the pack. Ipola mabal la pagwe, it's a problem. You know, again kulego TDC onyango mangiti sometimes onyango. For me today I think he was exposed. We need to be honest. It doesn't have a speed. Lot of areas to him. Nale pola lomfana loangeke from wide. Azongena like first pole. Where was he? Him okay with the rookie. I think he played very well with the rookie because today he could cover. Gonna speed, but awareness the timing. The boy was for the situation, and you can't say good gonna speed, but Onyango get exposed. For me, came and I'm sure exposed, especially on the pola lomfana lo Reina. We exposed the side lily like. Good quality square pass. Mfana usuka from on the left, he attacking the post, it's a goal. Onyango pikila ngithi the rook is more of we are sweeper. So why didn't he pick? Because begangathekanga, so it's a problem. In the middle you can't play. For me, kwamanye game you can't play with Charlie Nomkwena. Yes, kwamanye you can play, but today it didn't work. In 20 minutes when you to Rulando uzoyibona. Cause number one, I need they were playing square. lost so many balls. I love Charlie, but too many balls. Namhla waluzile. You're gonna 2-3 and one lama ball for is different. Quality player, make no mistake, one of the best. But yes, boy chuma badlala. You needed to Mshishi probably magazodlala lapha. In the middle, play with Mshishi. We have one Supersport. The coach in 20 minutes. Bekmela ibona in the middle. They playing a counter attacker. They play basebenzisa le pays up. Sort of Petro is cutting the Sundowns, which is true. Yeah, and they did exactly that. When you run to this open space, lawa wing back they will get confused, which is true. Yenzagile namhlanje. Maseko uyibeka babambela lona ku Supersport. Sundowns nkululeko ifront three yabo. I don't understand why coach Rulani Mkwena Coach Mangoba Mniti now Steve Compel. Why playing new players? 2 of them up front, especially front 3. Why doing that? Play other one on the bench. If you call one, you can't play 2 of them. Which Shalulile. Shalulile is not a ball player. We know which is more central. He plays so Kalima central. Is more called pouch. Is not a player that if gune ball player mhlambe one pakat kwabo iba ne balance, but these labantaba new good players, make no mistake, boy true, but remember the confident not yet there. You needed sometimes mhlambadlali nomshishi umshisha bephamgo mhlambe ngenza example Nasir loko rile Nasir him nomshish up front, Alende coming on the bench, not 2 of them which Shalulile didn't make sense. So Sundowns today they didn't come to the party. I need to be honest. Yes, they did score. You can't have so many ball position. I like the patient, but you can't build until the last third. Ground number 5-3. Last third too slow. They didn't shift the ball quickly. You could see Gutu Sereno is not there. You needed more dribbling. In order for today, good Bakorbe Funigi dribbling for them, but you cannot good non pass slowly as if you're building up. You were losing ball, chasing 2, still in Zalangatna build up. So there was no way. Supersport be very recover. No manga. That's why we say Pagi pass. Let's play 5 at the back, 4 in the middle. Yeah. We leave Kabuza only. He didn't care about scoring. He knew with Labantu Lababa's movie ball and shifting up just like that, and shifting up and shifting up to the. It didn't work. They were playing sideways. No shot at goal. Sometimes they came mentioning Sundowns. I thought Ngalama player high profile now. But shy target or outside and then go in a rebound, but follow up on a rebound. But even for good pass, sometimes you need dribbling. That's why a team in Ngulego, in all teams, emphasizes South Africa, they need dribbling players. Dribbling with speed. Dribbling in the show. Players need to dribble to eliminate. You needed players that they will eliminate them. You needed to dribbling and nil pass and honke until in figure pamgo goalkeeper la nil pass and get in net. You can't do that. Yes, I know. Mama came here was panela, but Kevin we were cancelled on my pocket. It didn't give them mama cap. They would pass on my pocket. If there was a pocket, Tyson was there to sweep, clean up your kid. If there's a run, that meant Tyson is there. So most of Sundowns players didn't come to the party as Nishongiti. Supersport they deserve and you win a game. Sundowns they scored a goal. It's not a pretty goal. Actually, identity abo. Ulbone le ball. It's a cross, set piece cross. Shali Luelbuisa, Nasir score. But truly speaking, Sundowns didn't come to the party. I need in all angles. Who gave in? We made Chile pound to pound. And who gave in because Spanish speed sack. And now they were exhausted. Second half, they didn't do much. I'm a player who cut because. First half, breaks, whereby it's more of a transition player.
Okay, I need to ask you last question. What is your word for Thapelo Maseko? We believe that he's going to be a superstar. What does he need to work on? What have you seen? What does need improving? What future do you foresee for him?
Quick. This is a diamond for South Africa. One of the best talent, left-footed. I wish you came in. I'm accommodating and system. I don't think he's playing according to his full potential. He needs sort of up front. You need to tell him wherever if he team he can run wherever. And then these people they need to close if he's not there. If you're going to tell him it's going to be all I'm a game die 20 minutes, I think if you get according to his full potential, I'm going to man of the match and I'm a money. So the boy, keep it up, boy. I don't think he's playing according to his full potential. I wish njoba ngisho bangamrush to Bafana and stuff. Ngicela nama teammate bamsupport ne behavior yakho mfana remain humble cause abantu aba talented bakhatheka quick once they start mangikhuluma ngemedia I respect people, they doing great job in media, but once we start thina sibuye emakhaya ngekhokreni kuleko whereby i-background ayikhokreni mabaqala baringa ngami ingenzile nami first season won whatever, discover of the year, rookie of the year, man of the matches, and then second season because of hype media sesiqinile. So the boy must remain humble, media miyeke kancane, but lento engiyibone namhlanje not today only, one of the best talent, technique, something else skillful as ngisho can bazama kuma accommodate with ethic him. And South African scouts, I think about how old is he? 22, 21,
19.
under 23, under 20, under 23. This is a talent I don't think I'm a coach that they can overlook. Mara bakwazi kuma accommodate because lamfana inkuleko nalama team akhruti bona bo Sundowns cheese Pirates ngicela mangabe they need ukuthi badonse umfana ngoba I know umfana mangikhuluma kanje wonke umuntu ubukele the boy I wish bamiyeka adlale to his full potential makazoya lapha adlale khona bakwazi nokumsebenzisa angafiki bamthathe bamhlalise ebenchini hayi talent South Africa mabangakwazi ukuprotector singa destroy siphuma early ku 10. Leave the boy, sim protect, just check mangabe kuba ne blunder. Na ngithi enza into is wrong, sim protect. Please. But to set up in a right Supersport because I know lapha there's a lot of discipline lapha. It discipline, you hardly hear players get discipline. So compliment Angule, one of the best talent. Thanks to the question talent and the boy remain humble, will go very far. Even ungadlala Spain. Barcelona you can.
Okay, there you go. That's a great future projection for Thapelo. Maseko, sorry, number 40 was Supersport playing on the left wing forward. Yeah, there you go then. Well done to Supersport United. Well done to Coach Gavin Hunt as well. As Junior was saying as well, it's very strange to be a coach who loses on Sunday, but on Friday. Do something. Work a plan, work it out. And that's what Gavin Hunt did as well. It is iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.